85% of people say they fear speaking in public. And quite frankly, I think the other 15% are lying. I think we could find a situation that makes them nervous too. So today, my goal is to share with you some tips and techniques that you can use to help you be more comfortable and confident when you're speaking. In other words, to be able to think fast and talk smart. Most of us, when we are in situations where we need to communicate, we see them as threatening. We see them as opportunities for failure. And I'd like to suggest that we need to change that. We need to approach communication in an open way. See it as an opportunity to share our ideas, our beliefs, our innovations. And when we take a perspective of openness, all of a sudden something that we dread becomes something that we embrace. So the first step to effective communication is to approach it in an open way.